This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Barbara Lasky. Fabulous home on interior lot in popular Brookside, Isle. Small development with a community pool. Gracious double-door entry leads into a large foyer. Open floor plan. Large living room overlooking patio and garden area. Huge dining room kitchen with breakfast area. Stainless steel appliances. Spacious family room. Split bedrooms. Large master bedroom with 2 walk-in closets. Private master bath with tub and separate shower. 2 bedrooms in a separate wing of this home. 1 bedroom used as an office. Closet has custom shelving and can be converted back to a closet. Screened patio. 2-car garage. Plantation shutters. Volume ceilings. Whole $185 a month. Includes lawn mowing and community pool. Roof 2015 accordion shutters. For more information, review the details below or contact Barbara Lasky at 954-752-5100.